All right, we got a few orders here, which is awesome because I really could use the money. It's kind of like the worst timing since everything burned down. I don't have anything left that I used to use for shipping and wrapping and protecting all this stuff. So I had to go to the store and buy a few things just to hold myself off, which sucks because pretty much buying everything twice, especially shrink wrap. I had a brand new box of 4 rolls of white shrink wrap and they're gone. My printer's gone, so I'm gonna have to use the QR codes that they have. Some of these are going to Iowa, New York, Massachusetts is one of these. This one here is going to Jack in the United Kingdom. He's been waiting for a while for this one to be able to buy it. 400 watt here, 250 watt old school beast right there. This is more of a modern 250 watt. I like these a little better. They're not so big and heavy. Got a low pressure sodium one here. And then this one here. I think this is the same person who bought that, so I could probably just stick it in there. I usually get like one of these lights sold maybe every 2 months. So getting this many sold this close to each other is pretty darn rare. I might sell like 3 in a row in like a 6-month span. Like it takes 6 months to get an order like that. So this is pretty awesome. I'm glad these people ordered these because yeah, this is great. It's just a little late on shipping because everything's gone. So let's see what we can do and get these going to these people. So yeah, it's supposed to rain here pretty soon, so I'll get as many as I can wrapped up. It usually takes me about an hour from this, from just having them not pre-wrapped. Sometimes an hour and a half because I take out the photocell socket. But this one right here should only take me like maybe 25-30 minutes. All right, let's see how far we can get before it starts raining. Well, we needed the rain to get those ashes to settle down. This is a lot of rain. Ah! Oh no. Too much, maybe. Ah. Looks like I won't be finishing till tomorrow. All right, I'm back at it. Second day. I usually would get the stuff done in one day. So it's been a hell of another week without any power or anything protecting us from the elements. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't throw this table away. This table is in a pile right there with trash that needed to go to the dump because it's pretty beat up. But I never made it to the dump that week when the fire came through, which was good because all the tables that I had were in there and they're all melted. So yeah, this is working out slowly but surely. My scale was burned in that fire and we ordered a new one, but it was just a piece of crap and it was tiny. It's like a little bigger than my phone. supposed to hold 150 pounds, so I brought the lights to work to weigh him on the scale here. What a pain in the butt.